Assalamu alaikum. My name is Slovan Mohammed, and I am one of the participants of our Academy's Diploma in Translation course. I'm so excited to share my personal journey of learning English through this amazing program. Honestly, before joining, I used to struggle a lot with English. I had always dreamed of speaking fluently, but I felt stuck and frustrated, not knowing where to begin. I had tried many times on my own. I would start with energy, but after a week or 10 days, my motivation would fade away and I would give up. I only managed to learn a few words here and there, no real progress at all. And because I live in the countryside, I couldn't attend face-to-face classes, and I truly thought I might never achieve my dream. Then one day, a good friend told me about this course. I trusted my friends completely, but to be honest, I was a little unsure about online learning because there are so many fake programs out there. But when my friend described our academy, I felt something different in my heart. I decided to dedicate myself to it. And alhamdulillah, I have never regretted that decision for even 1 second. The teachers here are simply wonderful. They are not only professional, but also deeply caring. They dedicate their time and energy to every single student. The recorded lessons, the real conversations, the stories, the animations, all of these made learning not just useful but enjoyable. Whenever I had a question, the teachers replied quickly and patiently. I truly felt they were like family to me. After completing the course 3 months ago, I wasn't sure how much I had improved because I hadn't used English outside the course, but I kept practicing every single day, even for just a few minutes, because Teacher Awad always says consistency is the key to success. And recently, I applied for a job where English was essential. During the interview, I spoke with confidence and fluency, and I got the job. That moment proved to me that all my dedication had been worth it. From the bottom of my heart, I highly recommended our Academy's Diploma in Translation course to anyone serious about learning English.